Hi, welcome back. After installation of APS Carousel WordPress plugin, now we are going to create a new APS Carousel entry. Click on APS Carousel link from your sidebar menu. Click on Add Carousel button from next screen. You will see Add APS Carousel settings screen. Add a title in the title input field for your remembrance. Scroll down to the Settings meta box. In the Content settings, you will see the following settings fields. Select brands. If you want to display products from specific brands, leave unselected for all brands. Select categories. If you want to display products from specific categories, leave unselected for all categories. Select filters terms. If you want to display products only which have specific filter terms, leave unselected for no filter. Select products sort order by date, name, rating, etc. Select the number of products to be displayed in the carousel. Select the product image effect from a number of available effects like zoom, flash, shine, shake, pulse effects, etc. Select to display or hide product title. Select to display or hide product price. Select to display or hide product price discount tag. Select to display or hide product star ratings. You can include or exclude products from the carousel by entering comma-separated products IDs. Now click on Settings tabs to adjust the carousel properties. Enable or disable autoplay. Adjust autoplay delay in seconds. Adjust autoplay transition time in milliseconds. Select autoplay direction, left to right or right to left. Enable or disable loop products. Enable or disable rewind products in the carousel. Enable, disable pause carousel autoplay on mouse over. Enable, disable touch move. Enable, disable keyboard navigation. Select navigation arrow style from available styles. Styles. Enable or disable mouse wheel scrolling. Select pagination style from available styles. Select number of products to be displayed in the small screen devices. Select number of items to be displayed in the medium screen, tablets and desktop screens as well. Now click on Display tab to configure the display settings. Here you can select multiple locations from the available locations in each template to display this carousel. Now click on Publish button to save this carousel. Reload the page to see the carousel in action. Wow, it looks beautiful. Thank you for watching.